All right, so you're probably here thinking, okay, I need to learn how to set all of this on my wrist because chances are it's not actually Wednesday, January 2nd, as you can see here, Wednesday, January 2nd. You need to somehow set the time and the date. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Take the winding crown, pull it all the way out on this Patek Philippe regulator. And what you want to do is you want to set it to 6 a.m. Well, how do you know it's 6 a.m.? Well, just push that minute hand all the way around so it moves that hour hand past midnight. And how do you know it's past midnight? Well, you'll see once it sweeps past 12 right here that the day and the date actually do tick forward. All right, now you'll want to set it to 6 a.m. All right, 6 a.m. There you go. Now what do you do from here? You can then use the pusher supplied to then adjust these quick adjusters. The top one adjusts the month, the middle one adjusts the date aperture, and the last one adjusts the day of the week. So first, you want to set it to the first of whatever month, okay? So doing so very carefully here, using the middle pusher, you're going to want to advance the date aperture at the 6 o'clock position. As you can see, it's moving forward. Set it to the first of whichever month you happen to want to be on. All right, so you have it on the first. Now what? Set it to the correct month using the top push button Quickset. All right. So let's say, for example, it's, I don't know, let's say it's June. All right, I'll say it's June. Now, set the day or the date correctly at the 6 o'clock to the proper date. We'll just say it's June 10th for the sake of this example. All right, now set the day of the week. We'll say it's Friday. Got to get down on Friday, right? So there you go. Once that's all done, you can then press the crown back in to start it up. You're back at 6 o'clock. Now, be sure to also set the time from there correctly. Let's say it's 10 a.m. 10:10, because why not? All right, and that's how you quick set the date, the month, and the day of the week safely on your Patek Philippe regulator. This reference number 5235/50R-001. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.